what month should I plant tulip bulbs? And this is Marissa. All right, Joellen, you know a little bit about tulip bulbs in our area, but we need to explain that you know, for other areas as well, other zones.
Other zones, like if you take zones 1 through 3, September, September is when it should be planted up until October and into October. Zones 4 and 5, like late September to the beginning of November. And then where we are in 6 and 7, we're here in 7, they like October to December. Then zones 8 and 9, they say late November into December. And then zone 10 is early January.
Wow.
But you know, most bulb companies, when you buy bulbs or nurseries that have bulbs for sale, they usually only have them out, you know, when it's time for you to plant them. And the problem with tulips is, in all bulbs, they like 60-degree weather in the soil temperatures of 60 degrees to be able to initiate the bloom cycle for the bulb. So that's the key, is the temperature and the length of the temperature. But sometimes in zones 8 through 10, they sell pre-chilled bulbs. And so that's also a bonus. Pre-chilled. So they'll have more of the chilling time to initiate the blooms before you plant them.
Okay. Now, before we go to Doc, let me ask you this. So what about the bulbs that we see in the packages, like in the spring, though?
Well, in the spring, they only sell spring blooming bulbs.
It's only spring, okay.
And that needs soil temperatures in the 70s.
Right, okay.
So it's a different season.
Got it.
And temperature requirements for those.
Good deal. Okay. Doc.
Yeah, I mean, she hit it right on the nose as far as I'm concerned. I can't add a whole lot, but the key is the soil temperature.
Okay.
You know, if you have warm weather, you know, like we have all this warm weather, and see, when I get my bulbs, you know, she's right. We do it in like October and then on into the fall. See, what I do is if I get them, and right now they're all on sale. I mean, they're all out there, you know, at all the big garden centers. And so it's not October. Right. So I put them in the crisper of my, you know, the vegetable part of my refrigerator.
Okay.
So they still cool, because if you put them in warm soil, you can initiate, you know, them coming on up, because that's what prompts them to emerge in the spring is sun, you know, getting a little warmer temperatures.
Got it.
So they can prematurely germinate.
Got it. Okay.
And then that's just depleting, you know, the stores of carbohydrates in the bulbs, which produce the flowers. Yes. So I think it's key that if you buy them now, to, you know, do what she says, and you know to put them in the cold soil during these months that it recommends based on your zone, but also be conscious of the weather and the temperature, and then store them if you get them now in a cool, dry place.
Good. Those are two good points.
Yeah, and if you do put them in the refrigerator, make sure you don't have fruit in there.
Oh, sure, that's right. Yeah, the ethylene.
The ethylene gas.
The ethylene gas will destroy the
Good point.
Might ripen them for you a little bit, right?
Don't put it in there with an apple or a banana.
And Doc, before we leave this, so tell us what zone are you in? Because
I'm 7.
So you're in 7?
Yes,
right?
yeah.
Here in Mississippi, Corinth?
Yeah.
Okay. How about that? Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.